Hello everyone, welcome back. If you're new, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a braiding pattern for a deep side crochet braid. So if you want to see the end result of the braiding pattern, please keep watching. So first thing first, you're going to start by separating the front section from the back section. So you want to do that by making a straight line from one ear to the other side of your ear. So next you want to go ahead and pull put the back side away, and then come back to the front section and re-separate the front section into 3 sections. So to get the deep side part, you want to start by making those 3 sections into a straight line, which you're only going to have 2 straight lines. So once you decide where you want your deep side part to be, you want to go back to that section and readjust the line. So instead of making it straight, you want to make the line in an angle way at the end. So you want to cross it over to the middle section of the braid, all the way to the end of the middle section. So that will create a half U-shape part. So once that is done, you want to go ahead and braid the other side, which is the straight part. The other side, which is straight, you want to go ahead and do a straight braids going back. So once you're done doing the straight braids on the first section on the front, so if you're not satisfied with the line you made earlier for the deep side part, you want to go ahead and readjust the line. So just like I'm about to do in this video before my hair broke my rat comb. Yet it broke my right comb. I think this happened because I didn't use the water on my hair today, so I decided to skip it and just go with the flow. But unfortunately that didn't work, but I did manage to do the entire hair without using water though. Once you're done adjusting the line, so you want to go back to the middle section and make a small section for a straight braid, but we're not going to braid this part. We're just going to section it off and then put it into a mini ponytail just to get it out of the way. Next, you want to go ahead and braid the middle section. So for the last section of the middle section, you want to go ahead, you want to connect the last braid, the last section, with the section we separate out of the way earlier. So that will make a whole, like one single braid all the way to the back. So before going ahead to braid it, I'm going to apply hair wax. For this, we have to push back the hairs on the front, and also to smooth out the edges. So right here, I'm just going ahead to apply the hair wax. So next, I'm going to take my comb to comb the roots and smooth it out. So once you apply your hair wax or gel, the next step is to braid it. So as you braid along, you want to connect so you want to add the braided hair as you braid along. So I've already braided the other side of the section, so right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid the last one. So for this last braid, this is this last braid right here. We're going to be doing the knotless part, using the knotless method on this last braid. So that will be for the last braid and also the last braid of the middle section. Once you're done with the front section, we want to go ahead and work on the back section. So on the back section, I did a zigzag braid on the back. So I like to use a zigzag braid on the back of my hair because that helps to give me more volume after the crochet braid is done, and also it makes sure to cover all the space in between the braid. And the zigzag braid method helps to prevent the hair from being bulky after you're done doing your crochet braids. Here is the finished result of the braids. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And right here, this is the crochet braid I did using the braiding pattern I just did in this video. So if you want a link to this video, I will put it in the description box down below, so be sure to check it out. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by today, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing, and I'll see you in my next one.